Wait, if I told you that there's a new model from ByteDance that just changed everything about AI video generation and it's launching in days, would you believe me? Because Seedance 2.5 just got announced. And honestly, the capabilities are insane. We're talking native 4K videos, 30 seconds of continuous generation from a single prompt, 50 different reference inputs you can layer in, real faces, licensed characters, everything creators have been begging for is suddenly possible. OpenAI killed Sora in March. That left a gap, but ByteDance just filled it in a way that honestly makes you wonder why anyone would pay for other tools anymore. Here's the thing though, most creators are going to wait until official launch day to start learning this. They'll be stuck in queues, they'll be reading tutorials, they'll be figuring it out from scratch while everyone else is already moving. But what if I showed you that the exact platforms that are getting Seedance 2.5 first are already live right now, and they're completely free? And they're teaching you the exact same workflow you're going to need the second this officially drops. By the end of this video, you're going to know which platform gets priority access to 2.5. But first, let me show you how to build these skills on 4 free tools that are honestly already operating at production quality. Let's start with the first tool, and this one gives you access to models people are paying monthly subscriptions for. You head to this platform, one interface, multiple models available at zero cost, Grok, VO3, Meta AI, all of them sitting there, free. Pick whichever model is at 0 credit configuration on any given day. Type what you want, watch it generate, no payment required, no credit counter moving, nothing. I tested this with something straightforward, a man walking through a narrow city alley. It generated 4 different versions instantly, all of them solid quality, all of them free. But here's where it gets interesting. You don't have to just accept the first generation. Drop a reference image into the edit field. Describe exactly what you want changed. The system builds 4 new variations based on that specific image. Same composition, different direction. Then hit animate. Full motion video. No extra prompts needed, no watermarks appearing out of nowhere, no credit depletion happening mid-workflow. Server times out, generate again late at night when fewer people are using the platform. Queue moves faster, results upload instantly, still showing 0 credits used. Try different models, try the same prompt 5 different ways, try image to video, try text to video, try batch generation. None of it costs you anything. This is your baseline. Understanding that premium level generation doesn't require payment. That's what Seedance 2.5 is about to teach the entire creator industry professional output without the professional price tag. That's foundation level. Now let's talk about production grade finishing. TikTok's own AI creation suite, built directly into their ecosystem, which means it's tuned for how creators actually work. Log in, create a business account, straightforward setup. You get access to a full generation dashboard, images, videos, multiple AI models, different workflows. Click into the image generation tab. Describe what you want to create, something like a woman holding a wrapped gift box. Watch it, generate 4 different interpretations. Fast, professional, 0 credits charged. Don't like the first batch? Generate more. Switch to a different AI model, try Nano Banana or Flux Context Max. The quality jump is immediately obvious. Different lighting, different composition, different vibe, all from the same prompt. Now generate video from those images. Hover, click generate video, describe the movement you want. The woman carefully opens the gift box with genuine excitement and surprise. Select your duration. Choose Video 1.5 Pro, which gives you audio sync and camera control built in. Hit generate, it processes quickly, result is production ready. Test again. Type a woman strolling down an urban street taking selfies with natural confidence. Different duration, generate, another solid output. Image to animation is another layer. Click animate on any image. Write a movement description, something specific about what the character should do. Generate, the motion stays natural. No weird distortions, no glitchy limbs. Here's what separates this tool from others. You can do text to video directly from the drop-down menu, or use reference to video mode, which lets you upload multiple reference images and combines them into one continuous video that flows between all of them seamlessly. That's not just video generation, that's production workflow. This platform teaches you how to think about layering AI outputs into actual content. That's exactly what Seedance 2.5 demands, the ability to control direction, refine quality, and build with intention. So, you understand generation quality and workflow. Now let's talk about creative refinement. Finally, Meta AI. This one actually changed how I think about the entire generation process. Most AI tools feel mechanical. You write a prompt, the system guesses what you mean, you get an output. If it's wrong, you start over. Meta AI isn't like that. The whole workflow is conversational. You're not fighting the tool, you're refining with it. Naturally, like you're working with a creative partner who actually understands what you're saying. Let me show you exactly what I mean. I started with a reference image, just a still frame, basic composition. Then I moved directly into one-click animation. This is where Meta AI genuinely stands out. Most image-to-video systems struggle with realistic motion. Hair doesn't move right, bodies look stiff, lighting flickers. But watch what happened here. The hair physics responded naturally to the motion, body movement stayed balanced, the environmental lighting adapted instead of flickering between frames. Scene maintained visual consistency throughout the entire animation. That's because Meta AI isn't just predicting frames, it's reasoning through the reference image and understanding spatial relationships. Now here's the specific demo I want to show you. I asked for a prompt to generate a painting, a classical style painting, specific aesthetic, high quality. Meta AI generated the image, clean composition, professional lighting, exactly what I described. Then I took that generated painting image, uploaded it into the edit field, changed the prompt, asked for specific refinements. The system built 4 new variations of that painting, each one different from the original, but maintaining the same aesthetic direction. I selected one, clicked animate, watched it turn into motion video. Look at this on screen. The painting comes alive. The brushwork detail stays sharp. The color palette holds consistent. The motion is subtle but intentional, not the jerky, artificial motion you get from cheaper tools. That's the difference between generation and creation. One is a tool making random predictions. The other is a system understanding your creative direction and supporting it. What also makes Meta AI powerful is the refinement loop. Instead of restarting when something isn't perfect, you refine conversationally. Add more atmospheric lighting, change the mood, adjust the color grading. All through natural instructions. The platform understands context and intention. This doesn't feel like you're using a generator. It feels like you're working with someone who actually gets what you're trying to build. That's production level thinking. That's what Seedance 2.5 is designed to deliver at scale. You've learned generation quality, you've understood workflow, you've experienced creative refinement. Now the final platform. And this one gets Seedance 2.5 first. This is Dreamina by CapCut. When you open it, you see Seedance and Seedance 2 models already integrated, already available, which tells you everything about where this platform is positioned. Normally on Dreamina, credits limit you. You get an amount, you use it up, you wait or you pay. That's the ceiling. But there's a move that unlocks the entire system. Create a new browser tab, go to Chrome Web Store, search for a free VPN extension, install it, connect to Singapore or somewhere in Africa, Nigeria, Kenya, anywhere in that region. Once connected, create a brand new Gmail account. Log into Dreamina with that fresh account. Look at the interface carefully. You'll see AI video marked as coming soon. That's your signal, it's working. Now here's the key. Disconnect from the VPN, refresh the page, boom, everything unlocks. Your generation cost becomes 0 credits, completely unrestricted. You can generate literally anything. Images, videos, avatars, audio, everything on this platform operates at some of the highest quality you'll find in the market right now. Let me show you. Type a prompt. A woman preparing coffee with natural morning light coming through a kitchen window. Hit generate. It starts immediately. Look at how realistic that is. The lighting is natural, the materials look textured, the motion feels authentic. Try another one. A woman walking confidently down a city street taking casual selfies with natural expressions. 0 credits, hit generate. It processes in a minute or 2 depending on length, comes with audio automatically included. Look at that output. Movements are natural, lighting is directional, everything syncs together, and the best part, that entire video cost you 0 credits. Regenerate that same prompt, different seed, you get a completely different result, equally professional, equally finished. That's unlimited generation. Not limited by credits, not limited by paywalls, not limited by monthly resets. But here's why Dreamina matters more than every other tool combined. Dreamina already has direct integration with the Seedance pipeline. When Seedance 2.5 officially launches to the public, this is the platform getting priority access first. Not the official Seedance app that everyone else will be refreshing on launch day. Not a waitlist, not a queue somewhere. Here, in the workflow you're already using today. If you wait until official launch day to even open this platform, you're already behind. Everyone else is learning the interface for the first time, fighting with the UI, reading tutorials. You've already mastered the workflow. You already understand how to layer references. You already know how to refine prompts. You already built your production pipeline. The moment Seedance 2.5 integration goes live, you're not scrambling, you're ready. That's the entire point of the 3 tools before this. They're not separate platforms, they're training. Every habit you built, the quality awareness, the workflow thinking, the creative refinement process, the production finishing mindset, that's exactly what you bring into Dreamina when 2.5 officially arrives. Your skills transfer, your speed accelerates, you're not learning from scratch, you're already fluent. So that's your complete stack. 4 free platforms, 4 layers of mastery, 1 goal, be production ready before everyone else even gets through the door. Seedance 2.5 launches in days. The tools that get it first are already in your hands. The only question is whether you're going to spend these last days mastering them or waiting around. If this breakdown changed how you think about building with AI, hit subscribe. Because when Seedance 2.5 officially drops, I'm releasing the complete unlimited workflow right here. And you're going to want to see that.